Hi guys, what is up and welcome to my channel today. So I'm thinking about doing something a little bit different today. The video going up on Friday is going to talk about composition. So I'm thinking that maybe we should do some shooting today. As you can tell by the title today, well, I'm not sure what the title is going to be, so maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know yet. Okay, so let me think about some mini shoot we can do today. Okay, so how about we do a little mini behind the scene photo shoot with French toast, since it's still morning. What do you think? Good idea? I think it is, because I'm actually kind of hungry. Okay, so we're gonna set up the scene, we're gonna make some French toast, and then we're gonna do a little mini behind the scenes shoot with French toast. Just FYI, I'm not a food photographer, so I'm just gonna do a bunch of shoots and see which one I like the best in the end. Okay, let me go and set up the shoot and then I will walk you through it. Okay, so my hair is up and I just did the background for the shoot. So it's just basically pieces of wood I found in our garage, and I just put a little varnish on them. Nothing special, just plain old varnish, and then yeah, you get this dark wood, and this is what I'm gonna use as the background. Okay, so I set up the shot. The French toast is ready, honey is ready, I even made a cup of coffee, and now we're gonna do the shoot. Now, just want to tell you guys that I am only using a kit lens, the 18-55. Okay, so I shift my position a little bit closer to the window. I have my honey and the spoon. And also remember that you should never combine two light sources. So if you're going to use natural light, don't put on any lights in your kitchen. Just use your window light then. Okay, let's do it. So I did end up using quite a few different shots. I even added a little bit more garnish and strawberries and just made it a little bit different. But I ended up choosing this picture. And yeah, it was worth it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and also do remember to subscribe. And then until the next video on Friday, see you guys then. Bye guys.